Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I recently canceled my HughesNet satellite internet service, also known as HughesNet. When it worked good. It didn't work great, but it did work good. I get the least bit of rain, it'd go out. Cloudy days, it was slow. Had signal issues. I had them for a year. I had to sign a 2-year contract. It cost me around $200 for them to come out and install it, and about $60 a month. With that said, I had it for a year. So they charge you so much for canceling early, and I think they take $15 off the cancellation fee, which your cancellation fee is $400. Take $15 off a month. So if you have 12 months, it takes so much off. But it's going to cost me $250 for my early termination fee. Like I said, I was paying $60 a month. So 60 times 12 is $720. Right around that price range. So at $60 a month for 12 months, that's $720. It was going to cost me $200 for them to come out and try to re-aim the satellite dish. It's going to cost me $250 to cancel it and ship it back. They did offer to try to do some things on their end, and they made all these kinds of offers trying to keep me after I already complained about it a couple of times. So I just decided the $250, it's just worth to get rid of. I got Verizon Wireless now from one of these little jet packs on my cell phone, which is working great. But we're going to take a look at how to return your equipment. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, when you cancel, you got to finish out the month you're on. Then they'll cancel it when your bill comes due again. They send you a box, send you instructions, tells you how to disconnect it. Now it looks like you only send back the radio, the power supply, and your modem. Tape to tape up the box. Shows you how to pack the equipment. And down here, pack the equipment, continue. Place UPS shipping slip. UPS shipping slip, maybe it's here. Yeah, okay. They gave you a nice little shipping slip. It's going back to Gaithersburg, Maryland. Now, for you that don't know, Gaithersburg's not too far from the D.C. Baltimore metro area where I used to actually live. So let's go ahead, head outside, and get started with packing up the equipment. Okay, first thing I need to do is unplug your power cord. Unplug your computer. Then you're going to unscrew your cable. Now, if you can't get that with your fingers, you may need a 7/16 wrench or an adjustable wrench to get on there and untwist it. Gather up your power cord. Put that to the side and let's go outside and take off the radio. Per the instructions, they want you to cut this cable off. I'm not going to do that. The only thing I'm going to do is take it off and remove the radio. I might actually mount an outside antenna to this in the future, so I'm not going to cut it off. Go ahead, get your wrench on there, give it a little turn to loosen it up, untwist it. Tuck it down in there so it doesn't get no rain and stuff in it. Like I said, I want to be able to use it for later use. Go ahead and get yourself a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the radio from the arm. Now there is only one screw in there, so trust me, it's pretty simple. Go ahead, take it off, put the screw back in the radio. Let's go inside and pack it up. Okay, with everything disconnected, we're going to move to the next step of packing it. Now they do offer the option of a professional to come out and take everything down for you. I'm not sure how much that costs. So first of all, we're going to take our radio, stick it in here. Next up is the power cord, power supply. Next up is your modem. Guess that's how that goes in. And it shows a little flap over here to fold over it. And I don't have no little flap to fold over it. Then you're supposed to put in your packing slip. Close up the box. And they give you this, they're calling it tape, to pack everything up. Now it did come with this nice little letter saying they're sorry to see me go, blah blah blah. Unreturned equipment fee of $300. So you definitely want to make sure you return this equipment, because I'm telling you right now, the value, it's not even worth $300. Next thing you want to do is just take this to like a UPS drop off, take it to UPS, whatever you got to do, just get it out. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.